We're 48 hours into the resting of our chicken meat, and we're ready to vacuum seal to put these in the freezer. So we're gonna walk you through that process for us. Now we're not gonna do every piece of meat that we have in the refrigerator here. We're not gonna walk you through everything, but we're just gonna kind of give you an idea of the process that we take to go from fridge to freezer. I'm Steven, and welcome to Oak Haven Homestead. So to get started with this, we're doing it outside in our shop. It's probably about 45 degrees. In here, it's really cold. So works really good for putting this meat because we do have to let it sit out a little bit. But the first thing you need is a vacuum sealer. If you're going to take that approach to ensuring you don't have freezer burn on your meat, we have a Food Saver vacuum sealer here. We have our vacuum sealer bags. You make sure you have plenty of these when you start this process. We have a digital scale that we utilize because we do like to weigh all of this and total out all the amount of meat that we were able to harvest from this batch of chickens. A Sharpie to write the date. We put the month and the year that we put these in the freezer, and we also put the weight on each package. And then our setup here, so we put a towel down, and then we'll put paper towels here, and then we set this off because we like to dry this up a little bit when we put them into the freeze dryer. We want them, you don't have to you don't want them completely dry. You do want to pat them dry here, and of course our lug of meat. And I'm telling you, these chicken breasts are massive. So it's gonna be some good quality meat. But hey, that's what we have for our setup. Of course, a table. So let's get started. Okay, so what are we doing here? Well, we take the chicken breasts, we weigh them. Strangely, pretty neat. The fact that we've been getting about, will you set that right there? You set that on there. So they've been about a pound a piece. Yeah, look at that. 2 pounds, 1.5 ounces. And then my lovely bride here, vacuum sealing on the way. So this vacuum sealer has a moist and a dry setting here. So we always make sure you use that moist setting, because under the bottom side of this, there's a little tray. So any of the juices that come out, it captures in that tray. We just write the weight on there and put it in the ice chest to transport. So that's how we package our chicken. Until next time.